Okay, my friends, I will tell you about Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University of Malang is a well-known Islamic university in Indonesia. But if we enter into and become student all of universities, then we will see the differences that exist in this great education. In my opinion, to make UIN better, that is with more discipline, is all sector, both visible and not visible, as well as the development of its human resources must also be improved, must be in accordance with what is the ability. For example, the graduation of English must be lecture English, not in other fields, so that all in accordance with their respective portents and recorded or recorded in the world of educator paradigm is substitution. In the past, student knowledge was sought from lecture, and students were considered as empty glass that was ready to be filled. So, with the concentration paradigm, student must be considered to have initial knowledge, and the text of the lecture is to construct it. Students are likened to plants that have the potential to grow and develop, while lecture only function as sprinkles to help plants, students grow and develop growth. As a result, the role of lecture has changed from teacher to facilitator with a student-centered learning model. Student-centered to longer teacher counter. The teaching and learning process become independent of students in exploring their costly and solving problems given by lectures. The project of globalization is a historical necessity that cannot be avoided with all the blessing and mudorotnya. Nations and states will be able to enter the area of globalization with strong if they have quality education. The quality of education is mainly determined by the teaching and learning process that takes place in classroom. In the teaching and learning process, lecture play an important role. Lecturers are the creator of the teaching and learning process. He is a person we will put in a free atmosphere for students to study what interests them, express their idea and creativity with the limits of considerately enforced norms. At the same time, the lecturer will act as a model for students. The greatest of self-insight and knowledge of the lecturer on the development of the community will lead students to be able to think beyond present boundaries, think to create a better future. The main task of the lecture is to develop the national potential of students toward the appreciation of subject. Its subject behind the material that can be present clearly has certain values and characteristics that underlie the material itself, therefore in instance. Every lecture expressing its subject must be able aware that as he conveys the subject matter, he must also develop the character and nature that is underlying in the subject itself. The subject matter and application of the film continue in the subject always develop in line with the development. In order for the lecture to able to adjust and reach the development, the lecture must constantly update and improve the knowledge being learned. In other words, be need for systematic and planning teaching for lectures. Thank you very much.